Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 CBSE syllabus 13th chapter surface area and volume class 9. Okay. So 13.1 first sum already I have completed. So this exercise is based on the formula for total surface area and surface area of cube and cuboid. Okay. Second sum. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room and the ceiling at the rate of seven rupees 50 paise per meter square. So this is the question given. Usually we will do whitewashing for the walls and the ceiling of a room. So in this one only for 5 faces we are asked to find the area, that is total surface area for only for 5 faces, not the floor. So first we will find the surface area of all the 5 faces, then we will find the cost of it. Okay. So what and all it is given? Length of the room is equal to 5 meter. Breadth of room is equal to 4 meter. Breadth of room is equal to 4 meter and height of room is equal to 3 meter. And height of room is equal to 3 meter. So, cost of whitewashing the 4 walls and the ceiling. Okay. So, total surface area we need. So, total surface area is equal to. So, this is 4 walls of a room and then the ceiling. Only these 5 faces we need to find the area. So 2 into, so this is length, this one is breadth and this one is the height. So length and breadth only one time. The remaining things 2 times. 2 into BH plus 2 into HL plus LB. So length and breadth will be in the floor base. The same thing will be for the ceiling also. So that one will be calculated only one time. So now we will substitute everything length, breadth, height values and all, then simplify it. So 2 into breadth is given as 4, height is 3 plus 2 into height is given as 3 and length is given as 5 plus length is 5 and breadth is 4. So 2 4s are 8, 8 3s are 24 plus 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30 plus 5 4s are 20. So when we add this 24 plus 50, so it will be 74. So 74 meter square is the total surface area of the 4 walls and the ceiling. Then we are asked to find the cost. So cost of whitewashing per meter square. Cost of whitewashing per meter square is equal to rupees 7.50, that is 7 rupees 50 paise. Therefore, cost of whitewashing 74 meter square is equal to 74 into 7 rupees 50 paise. So, 74 into 75. So, 5 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30, 7 5s are 35 3, 7 7s are 49 plus 3 52. So the balance is, so when we find the sum of this, we will get, so this is 2 decimal places. So 5 4s are 20, already 1 0. So total is rupees 555. So this is the total cost of whitewashing the area of the given room at 7 rupees 54 paise. The area of the room is 74 meters squared. So the total cost is 555 rupees. That is the thing we are asked to find. Okay. Next sum is, the floor of a rectangular hall has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter squared is 15,000. Find the height of the hall. So what are all the things given? Perimeter is given. Perimeter of the rectangular hall, that is given. Then cost of painting the 4 walls. Cost of painting the 4 walls at the rate of rupees 10 per meter square. For 1 meter square it is 10 rupees. Total cost for whitewashing the given wall is given as 15,000. So the total area that has to be painted, so that they have painted, the cost is given as 15,000. This is the total cost. Find the height of the hall. So first we will write what are all the things given. So the given things are perimeter of the hall. Perimeter of the hall is equal to 250 meter. Okay. Cost of whitewashing, cost of painting, not whitewashing, cost of painting 4 walls per meter squared. 4 walls per meter squared is given as rupees 10. Okay, so we don't know how much area they have painted. Total area we don't know. But the rate for painting, that is given as 15,000. Okay. So, cost of painting the whole area of 4 walls is equal to rupees 15,000. Okay, therefore area of 4 walls is equal to 15,000 divided by 10. So what we will get? We will get it as 1500. So 1500 meter square is the area of 4 walls. So area of 4 walls is 1500 meter square. So what is the formula for area of 4 walls? Area of 4 walls is nothing but 2h into L plus B. This is nothing but the LSA of a cuboid. So 2h into L plus B is equal to 1500. Okay. So in this, the question it is given, perimeter of the hall is given as 250. What is perimeter? Perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So, 2 into L plus B. So, this is nothing but 2 into L plus B. This is the perimeter. So, 2 into L plus B is given as 250. So, height we don't know. So, h into 250 is equal to 1500. So, how will you find height? So, h is equal to 1500 by 250. Okay, so h is equal to, when we simplify this, 250 into 6. 250 into 6 will be 1500. 250 into 6 will be 1500. So what is the height of the wall? So the height of the wall is 6 meter. So that is the thing we are asked to find. So therefore the height of the wall is equal to 6 meters. Next sum is, the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? So in a paint container, the paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint. The area that has to be painted, it is given as 9.375 meter square. So, the paint in that paint container, it is sufficient to paint this much area. That is 9.375 meter square of area, it can be painted. Okay. How many bricks of dimensions? So, the dimensions of the bricks are given, can be painted out of this container. So first we will find the total surface area of the brick. So the dimensions of the brick are, dimensions of brick are 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter. So the total surface area of this brick is, so this is in a shape of a cuboid. So the TSA is equal to TSA of cuboid. So total surface area of the cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay. So this is equal to 2 into length into. So this one is length, this is breadth, and this one is height. So length is 22.5 into 10 plus breadth is 10 into height is 7.5 plus height is 7.5 and length is 22.5. So all these are given in centimeter. Okay. So this is equal to. So this has to be multiplied. So 2 into 22.5 into 10 is 225 plus 7.5 into 10 is 75 plus 7.5 into 22.5. So 225 into 75. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11. So 7 5s are 35, balance 3, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 17, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15. So 5, 7, 7 plus 1 8, 5 plus 1 6. So we'll get it as 168.75. Okay. So 168.75. Then 225 plus 75 is 300. So we have to add 300 with this. So we'll get 468.75. So this is 2 into 468.75. So this much centimeter square. So this is the TSA of one brick. What is the question given? How many bricks of dimension? So this is the dimension of one brick. Okay. Can be painted out of this container. So the total paint paint in the container can be painted. This much area can be painted in this. So one brick is this much. So we will find the number of bricks. So number of bricks painted that can be painted. Number of bricks that can be painted is equal to. So what is the total given? 9.375. This is given 9.375. It is given in meter square. Okay. So this one divided by 2 into 468.75. So this brick is given in centimeter square. This 9.375 is given in meter square. So 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100 centimeter square. Okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Since it is given in meter square, 100 into 100 we have to do. Okay, then this one we will simplify now. So when we multiply this, we get 93750. So 4 zeros, when we add 4 zeros here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that 3 decimal places. So this will be removed now. So 93750 divided by 468.75 into 2. So when we multiply 2 with this, so 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15, 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So 937.50. So both are same now. So we will multiply the denominator by 100. In the denominator decimal point is there. Again we will multiply it by 100. So we will get 93750. Then along with the 2 zeros we will add. When we multiply this denominator by 100, this decimal point will go. So we will get 93750. So when we simplify this, we will get 100 bricks. So number of bricks that can be painted from the given amount, that is 9.375 meter square, is 100 bricks. Completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.